Hey guys, this is Fuzzy from Fuzzy's Woodworking, and today I'm showing you how I made these barn quilts. So for these I used some scrap pallet wood that I cut down to size. I think it was about 6 inches. You can see the stopper on my miter saw. And then I set my miter saw to 45 degrees and I started ripping pieces down. After that, I did the old sander and a clamp so that way I can sand down these small pieces with ease. Once I had everything sanded, I started dry fitting my design, which you can see here. This is the first one and the second one. The second one is going to have a fair amount of color, so up next is paint. I just used some basic spray paint from Home Depot, but the cool part was when I went to the store, they actually had some fluorescent spray paint, which will glow in the dark with the help of a black light. This was probably my favorite part of the process. It's always nice to see color. Especially like this, because it reminds me of those toys you play with in kindergarten. And then once the paint was dry, I started assembling the design again, which ended up being kind of difficult because despite numbering my pieces, nothing really wanted to fit into place. Plus, now that everything was colored, I kept messing with the layout and how I wanted the design, and yeah. But eventually, I found it how I wanted, and I started gluing and nailing all my pieces. Pro tip: try to make sure to keep your piece center frame of the camera, which I did not. And with the outside done, I was able to start on the inside. And it's, as you can see, pretty important to test all your pieces before you start gluing and nailing everything down. So that way it's the way you like and everything fits. Then with everything glued up, you can start trimming your edges so that way you can get some frames on these pieces. Which is what I did here with some rope clamps or angle clamps. I don't really know what they're called. And then once I had my frames on, these were ready for finish, which I used a water-based outdoor finish from Home Depot and put about 4 coats on because these are going to be outdoors in southward of sun and rain. And the coolest part is at night, it looks like this, which is a great additive to any garden. And that's it for this project. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see some more.